It's finally here, my SmallHD monitor. Ultra 7, by the way. But let's talk about the box for a second. This is my first time seeing this type of packaging from SmallHD, and I can actually appreciate it as a customer. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, let's start with taking the package off. Let's admire the beauty. Under, you see the ports. See the side, the quarter 20s. All right, first thing I noticed is the color bands. I've actually been really excited to have these color bands so I could put on top of here the antenna and change it. Especially when you have multiple monitors, it's just easy to navigate which monitor is which. Oh, I can see this already being super beneficial. This is extra ports for the bottom. So if you lose any, you already have immediately some replacements to go with you. This is definitely going in my carry-on bag right now. And of course they included the stickers, wooden camera, SmallHD, Teradek, and of course SmallHD cloth. That for sure comes in handy. I can see it, I need it right now. Of course a memory card, super handy. Anything from saved LUTs, saved logos, saved profiles, this is gonna be extremely key. I also purchased the wooden camera mini V-mount adapter. This is gonna come in handy, especially with the 2D taps. Already added my logo to the operating system, and if you're familiar with SmallHD Page OS, then it has everything that you're already used to. Overall, very happy with my SmallHD Ultra 7 monitor purchase, and I cannot wait to put this to use. Happy shooting, everybody.